Hey guys, I'm going to try to keep this video under a minute and a half. I just wanted to walk through what's going on this week and how to find the feedback on your essays, essays 1 and 2 so far. Alright, so this week you have your paper topic post due tomorrow. Tuesday you have your evaluating sources bonus extra credit activity. Not showing up here is the meet with a librarian assignment, but if I back up to module 0, the meet with a librarian assignment is due by the end of module 6. So module 6 for us ends on the 30th, so I just need that completed by Wednesday, and I think half of you have already done it, but basically all you're going to need to do is email a librarian and say, this is my topic for my paper, what sources do you recommend? And you'll probably get in touch with Keith Roki, and he's really great. He and I actually were undergraduates at Arizona State together, as it turns out, so it's a small world. And let's see. Okay, so let's see, this would be Thursday. Your research scavenger hunt is due, and then your annotated bibliography due on Friday. The scavenger hunt and the annotated bibliography are time-consuming assignments, guys. So you know, get your assignment idea posted, your essay idea posted in 6B. And do that quickly, and then put all your efforts into 7B or 7A and 7B. Okay, real quick, your essay feedback. Just wanted to say overall, I'm really proud of what I saw in your in essays, in essay 2, especially between the rough draft and the final draft. So what I did for everyone in both of those is I used the Turnitin feedback studio. Okay, so this is Monica here. And what I did was I added comments. Where I added comments, there's a little blue box that you can click on and see the notes that I've made. All right. The way that you find this document is when you're looking at your essay. If you go into the assignments folder, there should be a little bar that shows the percentage in Turnitin.com. So the percentage is just showing you the amount of material that is deemed unoriginal. Don't worry about the originality, because sometimes it's going to tell you that, you know, 10% of this assignment is considered unoriginal because 10% of your essay was actually quotes of your sources or your source text, so that's fine. But anyways, what you'll do is click on this bar when you see it that has a percentage and a color bar. When you click on that, that's going to open the document that has your comments. Okay, then also in your assignments folder, you should see a rubric that's scored. So the rubric and the comments in the draft, and then the short note that I leave you at the end is how you get your feedback. So all of that turned into 3.5 minutes. I'm sorry. I hope you're having a great week. As always, email me if you have questions.